What you gonna man down, take better for me. Wanna run around town, make heaven for me.
Okay. Wait, is that a real player or not? Got him. The Kingsman, but only to protect myself. But I'm not allowed to use it till I actually hit players. I'm only allowed to protect myself. Okay.
Yeah, guys. I'll make sure he doesn't use any other weapons, alright? I'll make sure of that. My guy will never use any other weapons.
I'm like crouching, but like really.
Oh, that guy is not gonna have the Midas drum gun.
There's people.
Alright, that was me. I shot.
No, there's people. Like, I legit have visual contacts. Or
Oh,
it's
yeah,
a
I
bot.
forgot.
Oh no, it's Midas! Ah! I just got beamed! Straight
Where's he at?
laser!
Where's he at?
Nice. Ooh, medkit. Nice, dude. Dang it, I can't use any of this stuff.
Alright, give me all your ammo, except the pistol ammo, because you're not gonna need the ammo.
Okay, there. It's right. It's all right here.
I'm sorry, bro.
It's fine. I don't care. Ooh, I'm taking all the mids. Actually no.
Oh, look at that. You'd love to have that, wouldn't you?
Wow, that's all I'm gonna say is wow. Come back, come back. Come on, do it. Dude, hurry.
Bro, this thing ranged me.
It's not even aiming at me. Oh, it's not aiming at me.
Oh my god.
Get in and it'll stop. Get in and it'll stop aiming at you. Hurry.
If it doesn't freaking beat me.
Nice. Yeah, take the big pot. Wait, here's a med kit. I have 3 med kits. There's a med kit.
I have 2 snipers.
Ooh. Yeah, actually.
Oh, it's an RPG. It's an RPG.
Yeah, after using that and then using a couple minis, I'm gonna destroy this. So then we can both.
Yeah, look at the RPG. Look at that RPG. Oh my gosh.
I actually hate you, dude. I actually hate you.
Oh, look at this RPG.
Wow.
It only gave me 60 shield.
There's people somewhere, by the way. I heard them, and that's just sometimes. Do I see them? Nah, it's just a bot. And whatever. I'm still gonna count it as a kill and put it in my clip. Bro, I did 50 damage. No, I hate you, dude. I actually hate you.
But you jumped into the challenge.
I know I'm doing this to myself, but still, dude, like, why do you have to rub it up all in my face, dude?
Wait, you can't even use this. You're doing pistol only. Haha.
Oh.
Good boy. Oh yeah, you need mini ammo, don't you? Here you go.
Thanks. Oh, you don't win. You don't have to give me all of it. It's fine.
No, I don't need it. I got 2 snipers, a rocket launcher, Midas minigun, and tactical shotgun.
Oh wow. Or are you actually kidding me?
I'm good.
Dude.
No, come here, don't finish him, come here.
Oh, there's another Kingsman. Oh, he died.
I need that. Wait, there's another
I know there's a god chest. There's a god chest. Where is it? Is it below? Wait, dude, stop. Oh, no, that's not a god chest though. It's right here, but it's not a god chest.
So what is it?
It's a regular chest. There's a god chest somewhere here. I hear the god chest too. Oh, wait, no. Wait. Oh, I know exactly where it is. Found it. Dang it.
Why do we need to cut down the Kingsman? Really? We don't need another Kingsman. What we need is heals and meds.
People?
I'm gonna try to block damage with my Kingman because I need to do that.
Do damage to him. Shoot. Help, help, help. Dude. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm already dead.
Beamed him.
Dude, the other one's one. The other one's one. Dude, I got him so low with the pistol, dude. Like, actually.
Can I please heal you? Thank you.
I legit got him one with the pistol. I did over
Bro, I
100.
dinked that one guy.
Dude, I did over 150 damage with the pistol. And, like, a challenge legit came up that said, do over 150 damage with the pistol.
I think it's the agency challenge because we're technically still in the agency.
No, dude, it's the Maya challenge. Because I really want to do my Maya challenges and stuff.
Oh.
Bro, I have the biggest trigger finger in the world, dude. I was just like, brrr. I want to find a gold pistol, like, really badly. This is the first
I was
time.
hoping for that.
Yeah. There's so many chests around here, but we can't even find them. There's so many, and because most of them you need a I
Dude,
didn't know.
let's stay in agency. Let's just stay in agency because it's in the zone.
Yeah, and then after this
Plus,
match,
I still need to do damage here, so.
yeah, let's do it. And
Problems.
then I'm gonna do 2 matches of well, I'm gonna do 2 good matches of me doing pistol. And then after that, I'm gonna do 2 matches, well, 2 good matches at least, of me using a sniper. I'm gonna do sniper only after this.
Then minigun only next.
Sure, or just like I guess sure, and then pump only. And
Okay,
AR.
then we can just drop grotto for that.
Yeah.
But there's people over there.
Yes, people over there. Now they're over
Where
there.
Mark again?
They're over there somewhere. Now they're probably over there. Or they're going for the... Oh, no, they're probably going for the drop. I don't know.
So there's not. Oh,
So wait,
yeah, there's people over there. He's going for the drop.
I want to see if, like... Wait. Pull out your sniper again. Because I want to see if like, I can protect you while you're trying to snipe. I want to see if this works. Okay, so face that way or something. Okay, aim in on your sniper. Does this block your view when you're using your sniper? Like aim in on your sniper?
Well, now it does. If I'm looking like this.
Oh, you can't even you can't even shoot sniper if you want to. I was about to, because I was thinking for a second, like maybe we found out a new meta, but nah. That would have been sick though, if we could. No! Dude.
No, I'm at 600 ping now. Karma.
Ha. Karma's a bee.
I like bees.
Karma's a bee. Bitchaware.
Swear. Mythic chest.
Oh yes, another pistol. About time. What should I take for it? I'm gonna do that. Okay, now I can hold another. Actually, gonna put that right there. Yeah. Okay. I have a perfect loadout. Dude, if you saw this.
I've been doing work up here.
In fact, you have. Hey, dude, if you saw this coming at you, what would you do? If you saw this coming at you, what would you do?
I would have just lost the game. Honestly.
Dude.
Yeah.
Let's get the heli. Let's get the heli, dude.
No, stay in agency. They're still good.
Oh yeah, a little bit. Wait, no, I'm gonna get the heli and put it on top. So then it's like a perfect helipad and stuff like that. I have no clue what it's called. So then when next zone rolls around, we're not gonna be in zones, then we have this. That's what I'm doing. Ugh. Okay. Dude, you want to see how quick I can edit things back? You should watch this. Okay. You need to watch this. Wait. Sorry. Wait, watch this.
Yeah, I need to get better at editing stuff. No.
Well, it's also because I'm on PC,
No,
so
I said no.
like, there's this thing that you can do on PC.
No, it doesn't.
I have so much ammo that I
I
just
don't like
wasted all of
sunshine.
it. They're coming over to us. Sure, dude. They're coming over to us.
Okay.
I hit one for like 19. Let's just go to zone, dude.
Sweet.
Let's just run. Dude, come on. I know that I'm being a wuss, but still, like right now, because like it's only physical, I need to be like extra careful. Are you actually kidding me?
No.
That thing
Really,
just blocked
bro?
us. I didn't even do that.
Really?
Why is everyone here playing like scrims and stuff? It's basically like scrim. Where?
I sniped him! Oh! From the hell too! No way! Right here.
No, what? Oh, I'm about to die. I hit him for a lot, like, dude. Yeah, dude, I hit him for a lot.
I sniped him from the chopper, bro.
Nice.
Oh my, how cracked is that? Oh, really?
I have so many,
I think
like,
that actually happened. I got him from the chopper.
nice.
I'm surprised.
Where's the chopper? Oh my god. Yeah, we aren't getting that out. We are not getting the chopper out of there, buddy.
Hey.
Yeah, where? Oh, there's people right
I
there?
marked it. Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's. I have so much SMG ammo. I have max SMG ammo, dude.
Oh, yeah,
you
the
can,
top
dude,
is
snipe
good.
him. You can easily do it. If you get up high enough, not too high, you can easily snipe him. Like, not even too high. No, dude, like, come up to where I am. You can legit just snipe him from here. If he was a pro, he would have been like, this man's using Oh, did you hit one? Or no?
Edit it back.
Oh, nice. Oh, he's actual. Dude, can I please get this? Let me get this, dude. Let me get this kill.
What?
I'm coming.
Yo, you blocked me.
Sorry, dude.
Oh my god.
We got this
And
anyways.
they're cracked.
I know.
Cracked. One of them's dead. Come on.
I know. Okay,
Hit
take
them.
to me. Take him. Take him real quick. I finished the kill. Don't worry, dude. Hi, buddy. This is my kill, dude. This is my kill. I really need this, dude. Let's go. Wait, what? How'd you get the kill? Oh, wait, never mind. I got it.
What?
Never mind. I
Oh,
got it.
behind me.
I'm coming.
I'm watching away.
Yeah. Launch. I can also launch, so I'm launching with you.
What? No.
Oh, beamed. I beamed one,
Please,
dude.
bro. You got any meds or anything?
Yeah, dude, I have 1,000,000.
Come on. Hit me some.
Why just? No, dang, I fell down there. Whatever. That's the last one. I'll get it. Yeah, just take it. Take it. I'll be left. No, dude, I'm out. Holy. Leave me out there. Come to me. No. Just.
Bro, I need a med kit.
Okay, yeah, dude, I have 3. Yeah. Okay, edit that back.
Please give me one.
There. We both need one.
Well, it's gonna close in on us. It's gonna close in on us.
That's unlucky. I have a person spectating me.
Yeah, this is probably embarrassing for me. Well, it is for me actually. I still got my mini shield on. Okay, good.
It's us versus 2 more people. Dude, this is insane, dude. If we win this is gonna be like holy. Pistol only.
Oh, we're just doing memes. Oh, bro, no, we gotta go. Wait, are we safe? No, we're not.
Knock it down. No shield. Almost got one. Yeah. You got. Yeah, one's about to die.
Yeah, I'm
got one. Oh, TC. Finished. Wait, did he launch? Oh, okay, yeah. Oh,
yeah.
Where is he?
He's back there. Searching me. I'm an RPG and you
Yeah, RPG. I'm good. You got this? Yeah, I need to get angles on him, dude.
Alright, I'm gonna RPG it.
Oh, yeah. RPG right there. RPG right here.
No! Guys, someone you got it. No! Please, bro! Come revive me! No, don't lose this.
We got this, dude. We got this.
What is he doing? Why is he not rushing?
I have no more mech hits. Come on.
But he has no hole.
Got him. Let's go!
Dude!
I did that pistol only. Let's go, dude! I did that pistol only. Holy, bro.
With the pistol.
Dude, towards the end, I started going God mode. Like, I started sweating out of my mind with the pistol. Like,
oh, with the pistol too. Oh yeah, that was good. You won that with a pistol.
Would you gun a man down, take better for me? Wanna run